What is up, guys? Today we got a special treat for the Civic. Went ahead and I got me a nice set of ESR CS15s. Got them in the 18 by 9.5 with the 35 plus 35 offset. These things are gonna look amazing on this car. I can't wait to get them on. I'm gonna go take them right now to get them installed. Let's take a quick look at it real quick. Show you guys the color I got. Just tuck this in here. I got these in. Graphite gunmetal CS15. So I can get up a little bit more in the light here. Woo. Look at those things shine. God damn. These things are gonna look sick. Alright, enough look at them in the box. Let's go ahead and take these to the shop, get them installed. See how they look in the car. Holy crap, guys, they are on and they look amazing. Damn. Yes. That came out just perfect. Damn, I am so happy. These things came out clean as hell. Whew. Again, these are the ESR CS15s in the graphite with the machined lip. Just beautiful, man. Beautiful. Came out way better than I thought I was going to. Well, there you have it, guys. Sorry I didn't film much in the shop, the tire shop, while they were getting installed. It started to rain actually, so it's kind of hiding inside while they worked in the back in the garage. But yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the car. Hope you enjoyed the video. I try to make as many more as I can with this car every time I do a new upgrade or any mod. Right now we'll see. I think the fitment's pretty good here. I might drop it a little more. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you all on the next one.